Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, the one thing that you'll really notice this weekend, the increase in, will be the humidity. A lot of moisture in the air. It doesn't take much to, to squeeze that air into some rain showers. Now, I think the best chance will be on Saturday, and then drier, not meaning no humidity on Sunday, but drier Father's Day Sunday in the sense that the shower risk is much lower. So with that said, let's take a look outside, and in Providence, a bit of a lull. It is cool and muggy. The real heavy rain has come to an end, though I do think additional scattered showers, downpours, and thunder can't be ruled out later on this evening and during the overnight hours. Rainfall totals in other locations, Cranston coming in at just shy of 2.5 inches of rain. West Greenwich at a little over 2. That includes North Smithfield. At the airport in Warwick, 2.05. That actually sets the record for this date as far as the amount of rain on this date. East Providence at 2 inches as well. And again, we'll watch the radar for more showers developing later on this evening and overnight. In Warwick now, it's been holding at 62 degrees. And with all that humidity in the air, it's easy to generate fog. So I do expect this to become locally dense overnight tomorrow morning. Saturday night into Sunday morning, another round of dense fog, especially near the ocean and the beaches. So each morning, especially at the coastline, going to wake up to some dense fog. You see on the Doppler radar that we're in a bit of a lull, another shower, slightly heavier out towards eastern Connecticut. As we widen out the view, you see the real heavy rain that came through earlier this evening is now pulling away, but there's still moisture off to our south and west. And what I'm tracking is this boundary right in here. It's the leading edge of more humid and warmer air. As it gets closer and closer overnight into a portion of Saturday, it'll be the mechanism to help produce a couple of scattered showers both tomorrow morning and into tomorrow afternoon. If there's any consolation with Saturday, and that is there's going to be long lulls where it's not showering at all. So we're not talking like a non-stop, sunrise to sunset kind of rain. All this darker green indicates the higher humidity. It's called the dew point, which is creeping up a little bit right now, but getting even higher Saturday and Sunday. So a very tropical feel. Get in real close, and we'll take a look at your high temps for tomorrow, and it should be milder by almost 10 degrees compared to what we had today when it was only in the low and mid 60s. About mid 70s should do it for high temps by tomorrow afternoon. So for tomorrow morning, starting off with clouds and fog, a lot of humidity in the 60s, a few showers. It wouldn't surprise me to even hear the rumble of thunder early in the morning. And then during the afternoon, it's not quite as widespread as far as precipitation, mainly cloudy. I think any sunshine is kind of limited and hazy, but I wouldn't rule out a little brightening. Temperatures in the mid 70s, though it will feel warmer with the higher humidity. And again, can't rule out at least a passing shower from time to time. Father's Day Sunday feels more like summer. It's up to 80 after some clouds and fog in the morning, some hazy sun and clouds in the afternoon, 80 inland, 70s at the coastline. Showers and thunderstorms for Monday still appear to be very, very late in the day or towards the early evening hours, which is good news for the CVS Charity Classic golf matches that, they'll should be able to get that in with the showers and thunder waiting until, I'm thinking, Monday evening, Monday night, looking at a temperature at around 81 degrees. So good news for Dad. Feels more like summer around here, but I would, keep the umbrella on standby at times for tomorrow. Do
you have nightmares of golfers chasing you with clubs?
Well, I tell you, the CVS Charity Classic, they start, working on that right after it's done for next year.
I know, it's a big deal, yeah.
And so, Father's Day Sunday is the Pro-Am. The weather's looking good for that, and the big match on Monday should be okay.
All right, sounds good. Thanks, Tony.